Minsha. Today I am going to make Kerala's favorite rice Payasam. What is that? Kerala's favorite rice Payasam. Shall I say the ingredients? Cardamom, raisins, cashew nut, sugar, milk powder, biryani rice, milk. Friends, now we need to on the gas. Okay, here I take cooker. Okay, now I am adding here 5 cups of milk. Now I am adding here 1 cup of biryani rice. Now I am adding here 1 cup of sugar. Cardamom seeds. Friends, now we need to mix it. Friends, we need to open the cooker and we need to look if our Payasam is ready or not. Okay. Its consistency has to be like this. So our Payasam is ready. Friends, I take here hot water. Next we need to put some milk powder into it. Friends, now we need to on the gas. Now shall I put that pan? Okay. Next I am putting some ghee. I am putting here 1 spoon of ghee. Some cashew nuts. Raisins. Now I am just mixing it. The liquid milk powder into our Payasam. Now we need to mix it. Our Payasam is looking too beauty. Now we need to add our fried raisins and cashew nuts into our Payasam. Now we need to mix it well. Okay. Payasam is ready. Biryani rice Payasam. Time to taste. Friends, we are putting the Payasam into the glass. Friends, we need to taste it. Oh yeah. It's too tasty and super. All of you need to try this. And thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and just press the bell button. Bye bye. I am Minsha.